Okay, so before we get into the analysis, I want you to take a look at this monthly candle that is sitting here on this chart. And what I want you to do is to pause the video. I want you to head down to the comments, and I want you to tell me in the comments, and I'm going to reply to every comment that I receive. And I want you to tell me that based on this current monthly candle, are you more likely to sell? And if so, tell me why. Or are you more likely to buy? And then tell me why. I'm going to see who wins. Are we going to have more sellers? Are we going to have more buyers? Just based on this current monthly candle, as we are basically halfway through the month of August. And then now I'm going to go ahead and go into a deeper dive into a multi-time frame analysis when it comes to crude oil. Okay, so let's go ahead and start marking up these levels on the monthly time frame. And I think it's important that we recognize monthly, weekly, daily as we go down, because we have different types of traders, not only inside of my trading club, but I think in general. Some people are longer term, some people are short term. So in this video, I want to make sure that I give you enough value that no matter whether you're a day trading scalper or you're looking for a longer term move, whether you like to hedge your trades on both sides with buys and sells, I want to give you massive value on this video, because if you can focus in on one or two pairs and really begin to understand how they move and why they move, you're going to be much, much more successful when it comes to things like commodities. Okay, so as we look at crude oil, we can see here that in the month of August, right, we have been definitely trending down. Now, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add a Fibonacci level from this swing low up to this swing high, just so you can begin to see where current price is at. And we are currently sitting at that 61.8 Fibonacci level when it comes to the monthly chart. Now, I'm going to leave the fib levels there, and we're going to go ahead and walk down to the next lowest time frame, and that is this weekly time frame, so you can see right in here. Now, again, if you're part of the trading club, we already know this, but I am going to go ahead and mark this area right here in case you are not aware that there is still an existing gap for crude oil sitting right here. And I'm going to go ahead and mark this with this white line sitting at right about 58.94. So we're just going to kind of call it 59 for that open gap. Now, it's important that you refer back to your broker or whatever platform you trade. Again, if you look at the chart here, we are using the September 2025 futures contract. That's where I trade crude oil in futures. So if your price on the right-hand side is a little different, that's because you're trading on a different platform and every broker has different prices. If you are trading in the futures September 2025 contract, you should see the exact same price. But regardless, for you, the most important thing to look at is the price action. What are the candles doing? And they should have these exact same types of patterns. So you can see here, as we closed out last week, all right, we kind of closed out in this indecision Doji candle sitting right here. We also closed out, we did not close below the 61.8 Fibonacci level on a monthly time frame. So based on these two factors right here, this Doji candle and the fact that the 61.8 as of right now has been rejected, same thing. I want to make this an educational video as well. So what I want you to do now is pause the video and let's see who's going to win the battle. Are we going to have more people saying that this would be a good buying opportunity, even if it's short term? What I want you to do is head down below to the comments and let me know now at this timestamp if you are more likely to buy or if you are more likely to sell based on those two factors and those two factors alone. Doji candle on the weekly and the 61.8 Fibonacci level on the monthly, which did not close below on the weekly candle as well. So let me go down below and I'm going to answer each and every one of you down in the comments section. So now as we walk it down to the daily time frame, we bring this back into perspective here. And a couple of things to note as we look at this circle right here. You can see here that over the last 3 days, we've kind of been trading between 65 and this 62.38. We have not been able to close below this yellow line here. Now, if we look at this here, and this is why we really began to sell crude oil a second time. And again, I love to make my videos not just, hey man, buy here, sell here, right? We teach you, we educate you inside of our trading club as well, so you can learn how to scalp your own fish, okay? So here, we're gonna make these fibs white, and this is exactly why we began to take another sell area, because we had a good risk to reward based on Fibonacci levels. Now, if you don't know what Fibonacci levels are, if you don't understand Fibonacci levels, I'm going to leave 2 videos at the end of this video. They will also be linked down below in the video description. I want you to go in and before the markets open, go check out these tutorials on Fibonacci just to help you get a little bit more oriented on that as well. What I will be doing in the weeks ahead is I'm going to have a 3-part free course. Okay, I don't charge for courses. If you come into the trading club, everything you get is part of your membership fee. And here's the difference, right? It's not just what a trading community is, it's what a trading community can do for you. Okay, I can guarantee you that you will expedite your learning curve. I can guarantee you, you will see results. And that's what trading clubs and trading communities can do for you. If they're healthy with the right people, they can help you grow in so many different ways. So again, if you have not yet gotten started in my personal trading club, I'm giving you a 50% discount. Use promo code SAVE50 so you can come in and take a test drive. Just like you can take a vehicle out of the lot for a test drive, take the trading club for a test drive for 30 days. I'm not giving you 3 days. I'm not giving you 7 days. I'm giving you an entire month at 50% off, which is like $14 a month for you to come in and try it out. And then you can make an honest decision for yourself if you got value or you did not. If you did not, hit the cancel button. No shame. You're going to waste $14 on something else. But I can guarantee you our retention rate is 93% because of the massive value you are going to get in here. You're going to build community. You're going to learn from others. You're going to make friends with others. And that's what's going to help you grow in your trading journey. Especially if you are just getting started, you need a healthy place to be. And I've got that healthy place for you. So come on in, and I hope to see you there. And we will be live tonight, Sunday, for our 6 o'clock gap trading strategy, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we took this sell based on our strategies that we use inside of our club each and every day. So we are still projecting for crude oil in the longer term to continue heading down because I don't believe they will leave this gap open, which if you look at it here on the daily, it's sitting right here, okay, as they begin to come down towards 60. So last Sunday, I talked about crude oil going down to 61, and we hit basically 62. So we should be continuing heading further down. That doesn't mean that we are not going to go up because the markets move kind of like your heart rate, right? Up and down. But if you begin to look at this price action, this level right here, and this is kind of what we're waiting for to add some more short positions. Once we close below this line right here, which is a 62.30-ish area, once we get a candle closure, then we can expect price to come on down and possibly at that point close that gap. So we're looking for this price action to happen. Candle close below and then continue movement on down. So we're looking for that to happen over here, right? So trying to buy crude oil or scalping crude oil, as always, could be very dangerous. So we're just looking for sell opportunities right now. Now, as we move down to the 8-hour chart, we can begin to see that rejection right in here. Okay, so I asked a question in a shorts video yesterday about would you buy or sell based on what you see here? So this could be a very short-term buy back up to this level. Now keep this in mind. Today is Sunday, if you're watching this video, and the markets will open at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Usually, not all the time, but usually crude oil could have a significant gap. And a gap is nothing more where the market opens compared to where the market closed. So if the market opens at 6 p.m. up here, that space in price is considered we have gapped up in the market. If price opens down here, then that means that price has gapped down in the markets. And then usually these gaps fill, okay? Sometimes they fill very quickly, but sometimes that can be around for a few weeks, kind of in the case of that gap that we still have all the way down here, which was created back on May 30th. So gaps could stay open a while. And this is why we only trade certain gaps, and we trade them very smartly, because gaps can stay open for a long, long time. So we are going to be looking at these levels here. My overall prognosis on crude oil is possibly, if I get the right price action, I will call out some short-term buys. But my bias is still that we are going to go a little bit further down on crude oil. It could be some unexpected news that spikes it up. It could be some unexpected news that spikes it down. But when you look at the current price action, and I really don't go anything lower than the 8-hour chart, for those of you that are in the club, you hear and you see why we're so successful. We're sticking to the higher time frames, right? Doesn't mean that you can't drop down to look for your entry if that feels better for you, but price is price. So if I want to enter here on a buy, it doesn't matter if I'm looking at a 5-second chart or an 8-hour chart. The buy is still the buy at this current price, right? So we're going to look at the Sunday market open price action. We usually don't get into any trades on Sunday unless there's some huge significant gap. What we look for is, what does price do between Sunday night market open and overnight during the London trading session? And then we're ready to trade on the US session on Monday, because by then the markets have moved. Maybe they've broken key levels, and we like to begin to look for price action beginning on Monday morning with the US session. So overall, because of that lower gap, okay, I think longer term, we're not making any higher highs. The overall direction of crude oil is still bearish, but we will find opportunities to scalp crude oil to the top side if and when the opportunities arise. And so that, again, is part of being in a healthy trading community. We can help you with guided decisions so you don't have to do it on your own, because trading is hard. Trading alone is even harder, but trading in a healthy community, okay, can make it much, much easier for you. And so again, I'm just extremely proud of all the success that our members are having on a weekly basis. Okay, so I hope you get some overall value. That's my thought process for crude oil heading into the week. Now, if you don't join the club and you just watch the next video whenever it is, we could have the opportunity where that gap has already closed. And if the gap has already closed, then we might be looking for some possible longer term oil buys. But again, we don't guess in here. We really look at the price action based on our strategies of Fibonacci. But most importantly, price action is king. Those candles tell you what's happening. We just sprinkle in a little fib. We sprinkle in some parabolic SAR for those that want the extra confidence to be able to take the right direction in their trades and then get out quickly, because crude oil is very volatile. We like to get in, we like to get out, and then look for the next setup. Okay? So if you're brand new here to this channel, welcome. My name is Armando, the professor, AKA. Been trading for almost 10 years now and still doing this because we've been successful at it, even though we sucked at the beginning. But if you stick with it and you stick with the right people, I can guarantee that you are going to grow in your trading journey. If you got some value on this video, hit the thumbs up for me. I would appreciate that. And it's absolutely free for you to do. And if you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And more importantly, turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss out on short-term analysis and also some long-term video opportunities. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.